This session on Just Look Retinoscopy will guide the attendee in using that procedure to observe the patient's effort in connecting with the outside world. It is an actual observation of a developmental process as it is unfolding. Just Look Retinoscopy is not a magical procedure. It's not a procedure for refraction, but it does require practice and repetition to observe the subtle differences and changes as we observe them. We will also discuss how this information can be used in prescribing.